Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and today in this episode I'm going to share with you a story of past life regression. Recently I did a session with one of my clients and he was very curious about it. It's very interesting, please listen to this carefully. He was very curious about this session, and when this session started and he reached a very deep relaxing state of mind, at that point of time, the moment he saw the first glimpse of his past life, it was just a glimpse of some pictures of the city that he was in, and he could see a big Nandi temple, okay, and there was a lake, and slowly people also started to emerge. He saw some people who were very close to him in his past life. He saw his house. There was different rooms in the house, and there was a picture of his guru, and it was all very familiar to him. And initially it was in bits and fragments, so he could not make sense of what's happening exactly. And there was a question with which he wanted to go into the past life and discover the answer. So as we progressed during the session, the bits of information that was coming started to merge like a jigsaw puzzle. And he saw his wife in the past life, and he also saw his grandfather, whom he called Anna, in his past life. And like the way he described, and the city also, it was very interesting. It was an old city with lots of temples and all. And then he also inquired which city is this, and it was a city called Hampi in Karnataka. He could also know the time frame, the year around which he lived his life in that city. And it was amazing. When I did a Google search at that point of time, it was an online past life regression session. So at the same time, I just did a Google search about Hampi and the temples, and I was also surprised that there was a Nandi temple in Hampi, and which I could see in the map also. It was very interesting. And he described the city, the people, and the kind of clothes they were wearing, etc., etc. And Hampi is a city which has all those characteristics which he shared, and it was such an amazing experience. And the year was he mentioned the year in which he had some important experiences of his life in the previous life. And the most surprising thing was that one girl, the girl who loved him in his past life, okay, that girl is also in this life, okay. The relation is different, but there is a lot of affinity and closeness, and he could identify that person in this life. And also many of the questions that he had about some problems which are going on in current life got resolved in this. So it was a very unusual session. And many times people ask me, okay, how can we see past life and whether you can verify the information. So you can actually verify. So if you have information about past life, and you can dig deeper into it, get some information about the city, and then you can verify many things. Like I saw the map and the temple was there. You also shared there is a sun temple, so there is a sun temple also in Hampi, small sun temple, and there are many other ancient temples. He could see those ancient temples and the lakes, and he was traveling in the boat, etc. So he got all these impressions. So yes, initially the impressions might be in bits and pieces, but then gradually as we go deeper, you can get the entire picture. So I will be doing a second session also very soon, so this weekend. So I will share with you more details about this story. So this and many other stories about past life, and if you have any questions, you can just type in the comment box and I will be happy to answer. Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.